Welcome to busygram.net, ang YouTube channel na nagbibigay kaalaman at latest na balita saan man sa mundo. Sa episode natin ngayon ay may latest na balita tayo tungkol sa mga kapamilya stars na sina Angel Locsin at Liza Soberano na kung saan ay mainit na usapan sa social media at balita dahil sa kaugnay na isyong politikal. Ipinagtanggol sila ng ABS-CBN at Star Magic tungkol dito, kaya naman aalamin natin ang statement nila. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lamang sa busygram.net YouTube channel ay huwag kakalimutang mag-like at subscribe. Pindutin ang like at subscribe button pati na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating mga videos. Ito nga ang mga nakaraang araw ay mainit na usapan sa social media at mga balita ang red tagging kina Liza Soberano at Angel Locsin dahil umano sa paglabas sa isang forum at pag-express ng paniniwala tungkol sa mga kababaihan na ang nasabing forum ay sponsored ng grupong Gabriela. Isang official mula sa National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict o NTF-ELCAC ang siyang nagbigay ng babala laban kay Liza Soberano hinggil sa kaugnayan nito sa Gabriela Youth matapos nitong lumabas sa isang online talk para sa karapatan ng mga kababaihan. Sa isang statement, inilabas ng kanilang official Facebook account ay iginiit ni General Antonio Parlade Jr. na hindi raw NPA si Liza Soberano at huwag daw itong i-red tag. Dahil sa issue na ito ay pumasok na sa eksena ang ABS-CBN at Star Magic na siyang nag-handle sa kapamilya stars. Base sa pahayag ng ABS-CBN, and I quote, Liza Soberano is an advocate of women's rights and supports initiatives that protect and promote women's interests. ABS-CBN and Star Magic stand by Liza Soberano as she speaks out against violations of women's rights. This is her own voice and not of any person or group. It is our hope that people may be allowed to freely participate in meaningful and rational discussion of issues without having to be red tagged. Itinataguyod ni Liza Soberano ang mga karapatan ng kababaihan at sinusuportahan ang mga hakbang na nangangalaga at nagsusulong sa interes ng kababaihan. Kaisa ang ABS-CBN at Star Magic sa pagsasalita ni Liza Soberano laban sa mga paglabag sa karapatan ng kababaihan. Ito ay sarili niyang paninindigan at hindi ng sinumang tao o grupo. Sana'y hayaan natin ang mga taong malayang makalahok sa mga makabuluhan at makatwirang talakayan ng mga isyu ng hindi nababansagang komunista. Gayun din ay naglabas din ng pahayag ang ABS-CBN at Star Magic para kay Angel Locsin. Ayon sa kanilang pahayag, ABS-CBN is very concerned about the wrongful identification of Angel Locsin as a member of the NPA. Doing humanitarian activities and speaking one's mind do not make one a member of a communist group. We believe that Angel, like any Filipino, has the right to express herself and stand for her principles without judgment. We support Angel as she continues to devote her time, talent, and resources to various philanthropic activities. Lubos na nababahala ang ABS-CBN sa maling pagbabansag kay Angel Locsin bilang miyembro ng NPA. Ang pagkawang-gawa at pagpapahayag ng sariling opinyon ay hindi dapat gawing basihan para sa tawaging miyembro ng mga komunista. Naniniwala kami na tulad ng sinumang Pilipino, karapatan ni Angel na magpahayag ng sarili at manindigan para sa kanyang mga prinsipyo ng walang panghusga. Sinusuportahan namin si Angel sa patuloy niyang paglalaan ng oras at talento sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Naglabas din ng sariling pahayag si Angel Locsin tungkol dito at ayon sa kanya, and I quote, to set the record straight, hindi po ako parte ng NPA or any terrorist group. Neither my sister nor my Kuya Neri is a part of the NPA or any terrorist group. We live in a country where our freedom to speak and express ourselves are enshrined and protected by the Constitution. May paniwala ako, may paniwala ka, at sa ilalim ng konstitusyon, pareho tayong mayroong karapatan sa ating mga sariling paniniwala. Kung magkaiba tayo, hindi ibig sabihin pwede mo na akong i-red tag. Hindi tayo magkakalaban dito. Hindi rin ako red, magkaiba lang tayo ng paniniwala. Nananawagan po ako sa kinauukulan na itama po ang mali na ito. Tigilan na po ang red tagging. The statement made is utterly false and places ordinary citizen like us, those who they swore to protect in danger. Nakakalungkot pong isipin na dito na pupunta ang malaking halaga na 19.3 billion sa mga paratang na walang basihan at pananakot na red tagging. Sana ibigay na lang po sa ibang departamento ng AFP katulad ng Medical Reserve Corps o pagtaas ng sweldo at pensyon ng mga sundalo natin. Malaking tulong rin po for purchasing vaccines or other COVID responses program. Many of our countrymen need financial assistance. Mga OFW na nawala ng trabaho, madaming mas nangangailangan ng pera ngayon. Doon na lang ilaan at sana doon ibuhos ang oras. I am also appealing to everyone to express support for those being red tagged like Liza Soberano, Catriona Gray, and all of others just because they are expressing their beliefs peacefully. End of quote. Ito naman ang kabuuang statement ni General Antonio Parladi Jr. Let us not red tag Liza Soberano. It is not fair for her. She is merely supporting advocacy for women's rights. She has to be protected in the exercise of her rights. Is she an NPA? No, of course not. Not yet. So let's help educate her and the other celebrity targets of malayang kilusan ng bagong kababaihan o Makibaka, the underground mass organization hiding under Gabriela Women's Party. So Representative Arlene Brasas and Gabriela, shame on you if you haven't informed your recruits about your hidden violent agenda. Liza Soberano, there's still a chance to advocate that group. If you don't, you will suffer the same fate as Josephine Ann Lapira at Ella, former Deputy Secretary General of Gabriela Youth of UP, Manila and defender of women's rights, even against sexual predators amongst her comrades in the NPA unit she joined, which is clearly stated in her handwritten letter addressed to a certain Ate Emil. It's a pity she learned about nonsense things like nabbing a firearm, exploitation while already inside the underground. It was too late, she's dead. The choice is yours, Liza, and so with you, Catriona. Don't follow the path Ella Colmenares took in the underground and NPA Quezon. I am sure Angel Locsin and Nery Colmenares will not tell you this. Ano nga ba ang Gabriela? Narito ang kaunting kaalaman tungkol dito. Gabriela is a grassroots-based alliance of more than 200 organizations, institutions, desks, and programs based in communities, workplaces, and schools throughout all regions in major provinces and cities in the Philippines. It also has chapters in 8 countries outside of the Philippines. Founded in 1984, Gabriela organizes Filipino women primarily from marginalized sectors of society and helps educate and empower them to fight for their rights and interests through collective action. Gabriela provides direct services to marginalized women, including counseling service to women survivors of VAW, medical missions, free clinic, relief rehabilitation in times of disaster, and capability building trainings of women's health and women's rights. Gabriela builds network and links with other local and international women's organizations and institutions for cooperation and mutual support, as well with their other people's organizations in the Philippines and in other countries. Gabriela aspires for a sovereign society free from foreign domination and intervention, with a self-reliant economy geared towards the people's needs, and gives equal value to the role of women in production, where land belongs to the tillers and recognizes women's equal rights to own land. A democratic government where the people's rights, including women's rights, are upheld, respected, and guaranteed, and women's political participation is ensured, and socio-cultural system that is devoid of patriarchal values, gender oppression, discrimination, and violence. At yan nga ang balita tungkol kina Angel Locsin at Liza Soberano na binantaan ng AFP. Anong masasabi mo tungkol dito? I-comment mo lang ang inyong opinion sa comment section, at huwag din kakalimutang mag-like at subscribe. Pindutin ang like at subscribe button, pati na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating mga videos. Salamat!